Hello guys, I'm doing a video on my dogs. This is Porscha. Porscha, Pushy Poo. Look at Pushy. She's eating. That's Lulu. She gave birth to 3 babies. That's Bella. She really wants, and whenever a dog comes near her, she growls because she's jealous. There's Truffles. She's really hairy and she looks like a fox. And we call her Truffles Squuffles. We just want to call that. And there's Lulu. Lulu, look at the camera. Say hello to the viewers. Lulu, say hello to the guys. Say hello to the guys. Oh, hi guys. She's so cute. Mwah. She's so cute. That's my video. Bye, and please leave a thumbs up and subscribe.